Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back here in the workshop. It's great to have you here. In today's episode, we are making this small hammer you can use as a necklace. The materials we are using, I have some leftover 1-inch square bars, 15 millimeters for the European guys, and also for me. I live in Europe, Belgium. And we have some rusty rebarb that we also used in the previous projects. So check that out if you want to see what we did with it for the first time. But yeah, we need to do some grinding and some drilling. So yeah, let's jump in our project. So I already marked the center and we are using 1 inch of material. So the first thing we need to do is to drill a hole. So yeah, let's go to the drill. After we have drilled our hole, I'm gonna countersink it a little bit. I drill first the hole, because now I can mark the center. So I'm just using this saw with the saw blades and I make some light. Hot. So now that we have cut off our anvil of our hammers, we need to grind it on our small belt grinder. I'm gonna use this tool to hold it, because yeah, on the belt grinder this will be very hot if you're doing with your hands, even with these gloves on, but so it's safer to use this clamp to grind it on our belt grinder. I'm not sure if you can hear me with my dust mask, but now we need to make a smaller diameter on this rebarb so it can fit in the hole of our anvil that we have just grinded. Doesn't sound too healthy anymore, but either way. So after a lot of grinding, we can fit our anvil of our hammers onto the smaller, yeah, round bars. Huh? So now we need to cut off the rebarb, making it a little bit nicer. And our project is almost finished, and you can use it as a necklace. The plan now is to put this rebarb into the vise and then heat the tip with this gas torch, and then we can rivet it onto the anvil, the hammer anvil, and then we need to cut off, and already done. So we will put it in the vise just like that. And after riveting the top side of the hammer handle, you've got yourself a functional. Wait, I will take you closer with some music. Our small project is done. So that's it for this video. I will say see you in the next. Peace.